Hello students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, we are doing chapter 5 percentage and its application. Today we will start its worksheet 2. So first question of the worksheet is the amount 6% more than rupees 120. So here we have to find some amount that is 6% more than the given amount, that is rupees 120. For this, first we will find the value of 6% of 120, and after that we will add that value in the rupees 120. So in first step, 6% of rupees 120, that is equal to 6 upon 100, because 6% is written as 6 upon 100 of that, means multiplication, and 120 as it is. When we solve this, we will get 36 upon 5 because it is amount. So we will write it in decimal number. So it is equal to rupees 7.20 or 7 rupees 20 paise. So this is the value of 6%. Okay. Now to find the value amount 6% more than rupees 120, we will add this value in the given amount. So 6% more than rupees 120 is equal to 120 rupees plus rupees 7 rupees 20 paise is equal to rupees 127 and 20 paise. In next question, the amount 15% less than rupees 400. Now here the amount less than. So first we will find the value of 15% of rupees 400, and then we will subtract that value. So step 1 is 15% of rupees 400. 15% of rupees 400, that is written as 15 upon 100 multiply by rupees 400, or we will write it as 400, and at last we will place the unit. So 0 cancel with zeros, and 15 fours are 60 is equal to rupees 60. Okay. Now this is the value of 15%, because it is given that amount 15% less than. Therefore, amount 15% less than rupees 400. For that, we will subtract this value 60 rupees from 400. So rupees 400 minus rupees 60, that is rupees 340. Okay. So this is the concept. Now we will use this concept in the application part of this worksheet. So first application is, the monthly salary of Mohan is rupees 950. If his salary increased by 6%, here salary is increased by 6%, find his new salary. So in this question, what was the Mohan salary? So salary of Mohan, or Mohan's salary, that is rupees 950. Now increased salary, that is 6%, but 6% of what? 6% of 950. 6% of rupees 950. So we will find the value of this. 6% is written as again 6 upon 100 multiply by 950. Now we will solve this. Zeros cancel with 0. Here both are multiple of 5, so we will cancel it by 5. 5 2s are 10, and 5 19s are 95. Here 2 3s are 6, and 19 3s are 57. So its value is rupees 57. Now because the Mohan's salary increased, so we will add this increased salary in the initial salary. So new salary will be rupees 950 plus rupees 57. That will be rupees 1007. Okay. In next question, same. This concept, a percent more or percent less is used. Here a dealer buys an old car for rupees 80,000. He repairs it and sell it at an increase of 10%. What is the selling price of the car? Here the cost price of the car is rupees 80,000. Increase in cost. He sold it at an increase of 10%. So increase in cost, that is 10% of the rupees 80,000. When we solve it, we will get 8,000. So 8,000 is the amount which is increased. Now selling price of car is 80,000 plus rupees 8,000, that is rupees 88,000. Okay. Now next question is, the monthly consumption of milk in a family is 120 liters. If due to the festival the consumption of milk increased by, again the consumption of milk is increasing here by 20%, find the present consumption of milk. So monthly consumption of milk in the family is given that it is 120 liter. Now consumption of milk increased, that is given in percent. So we will find the value of 20%. So 20% of 120 liter, that is equal to, when we solve it, we will get 24 liters, because due to festival consumption is increasing. So we will add this value in the initial consumption. So 120 liter plus 24 liter, that is equal to 144 liter. In the last question, question number 5, the cost of a sari was rupees 500. If the shopkeeper allows a discount of 20% on the sari, then what is the cost after discount? Here again the concept percent less than the given amount is used here. So we know that discount is always decreased in the cost, decreased from the cost. So first we will find the value of the discount, because discount is given in the percent. So the cost of sari is rupees 500. Discount is 20%, but 20% of what? On the cost of the sari, that is rupees 500. So value of 20% of rupees 500 is rupees 100. It means rupees 100 will be reduced from rupees 500. So cost of sari after discount will be rupees 500 minus rupees 100, that is rupees 400. So this was worksheet 2 of chapter 5. Solve it in your notebook. Thank you.